So I've charged the Ecolink 3 watt LED desk light. There is a neat button on off switch here, so I just switch it on, and after that I press the button and voila, the light is on. Now the light is pretty cute. You can see that there is a touch switch here, so I just touch it, it's off, touch it, it's on. Maybe I'll just put it as a contrast. You can see the contrast. So it's now on and off, on, off. Now there's another good feature in this. So it's on now. I slowly touch it and it dims itself. Again I touch it, it brightens itself. So the dim bright and dim low feature is there for the Ecolink 3 watt. The LED desk light. Now there are other features that have been given. They talk about a 3.7 lithium ion battery with a capacity of 1500 mAh. It works on micro USB. It's a modern and sleek look. It is free to adjust directions. It is ideal for office and study purpose. It has a convenient brightness control. It works on touch, and the charging details state that the backup time is up to 6 hours and the charging time is also 6 hours. The instructions to use are also pretty simple, but I didn't find the instructions are really required. It's very easy. So this is the Ecolink 3 watt CAP LED desk light for you. It comes in mystic white and sea green shades. It has got a soft and glare-free light. The design is adjustable. There is an easy touch control, and also there is a 3-level dimming for it. So thank you very much.